Sir, you're Mr. Peter, sir.
Mr. William.
Mr. Williams, okay. Oh, thank you for your time, sir. I something got my attention. You came for Miracle Seed and was it last 2 weeks? I know you were in pain when you came. Please, what was your problems? And
The problem was I was not notified until when I get down here.
okay,
Though I've been taking some antibiotics but I didn't get relief
okay,
until when I asked my wife I want to go and check up.
yes,
He said he has a pain and want to take me down, so I should go to check up. So we make appointment, and that's when we came down here. So when I came down here, I identified what really mattered with me was ulcer that stopping me. So when you prescribe everything, you just sit to me how going to use it. So immediately when I came home, I complied on it. So that very night, I was sleeping well.
oh,
I
thank
had nothing, and I had any pains. Then my wife asked me that night, "Have you?" I said, "No, I don't have anything." So in the morning again, I do the same thing. I do the same thing until the pains running is over.
wow, thank God.
But now what I am now feeling now
Mm.
to eat regularly. But when it's something that around 12 1 hungry. Uh-huh.
That is evidence of good health. Anytime you are hungry, that shows you are healthy. uh,
So
and so you are saying something. Say for 1 month you did not sleep.
for 1 month I must sleep.
For 1 month you do. Oh my God.
I will struggle with antibiotics. Recommend this, recommend that,
Oh
recommend that. I say I know addiction. I know you to take that, do that,
wow,
and that.
wow.
But
I,
the pain was really silent within me. I don't know where to go. But
mm,
when I make inquiry, then
oh thank
came
God.
down here, I saw that everything's
Oh
everything's okay.
wow. That means okay. You used to take miracle seed and milk.
Yes, I take
Yeah.
make that milk, hot water,
Oh great,
and
great, great.
also the one the calics,
The one mixed with garlic.
calics and
Oh, soda water,
soda
right?
water.
Oh great.
So I did too.
Oh
So
great.
I see the different. I get my strength back. I get my body back,
Oh thank God.
and the pain finally subside
Oh thank God.
gradually.
Oh thank God. You're welcome, sir. Thank you for your time. God
God
bless
bless you.
you.
Thank you.